Late last month, NASA put the InSight lander on Mars. This project costed NASA $830 million. InSight is short for Interior Exploration using Seismic Investigations, Geodesy, and Heat Transport. It's a Mars lander designed to give Mars its first checkup. It is equipped to study the planet's seismology and heat flow. The NASA workers have never been happier than when it landed on the surface of the red planet. When it landed, it sent back this photo as it arrived at its new home. The InSight lander will give us a better understanding of the red planet, help us to better be prepared if people were to ever colonize Mars in the future.